Man, I am so excited that the 2021 MotoGP season is back. And I wanted to create a brand new series where after every single MotoGP race, I create one of these episodes and talk to you guys a little bit about it. Now that I am very close to, or by the time this episode airs, 8,000 subscribers, I've developed a pretty good motorcycle community, and a lot of you guys I know from chatting with you on the comment section, and we've developed a really good relationship. So in each episode that I release, we can create sort of a community out of this, and it should be pretty fun, beginning with this episode. So first, let's talk a little bit about the 2020 season and where things were left off. As you guys already know, Marc Marquez, one of my favorite racers, was down and out. Poor guy, I felt really bad for him. He suffered a lot in 2020, as we all did with the whole, the C word. I'm not going to say it, but you know what I mean. You know what I'm talking about. But Marc Marquez suffered more than probably any other racer because he was out for so long and had all those surgeries. So with him gone, the 2020 season was a free-for-all. No one could predict who was going to win in 2020. It was absolutely impossible to determine who was going to win. And it seems like this year is kind of starting out in the same way. Joan Mir, as you already know, if you've been following along, won the 2020 championship, and he definitely earned it. But guys like Fabio Quartararo, he was a leading contender as well. On top of that, you had Morbidelli. So all these guys are fighting for the title, and it's really difficult to tell who's going to be the winner. So that being said, 2020 season is over with, but now we are at the start of a new dawn, the 2021 MotoGP season, and I think it's going to be as exciting, if not more, than the 2021 season. The 2021 season kicked off with a huge bang. I could not believe it. Ducati with their whole shot device. All three of them, I forgot, was it 3 or 4 of them? I forgot how many there were. But all 3 of them just shot out like a rocket, leaving the 2 Yamahas behind. I thought, seriously, I thought that the 2 Yamahas were going to be in the front. But nope, you had the Ducatis leading the pack for some time, and then out came out of nowhere, after a few laps, Maverick Vinales, who was kind of in the distant background in the 2020 season, but then out of nowhere he comes out and he shines through. You may or may not heard, but Maverick Vinales has been recently married and he's got a family on the way. I was watching one of the older MotoGP movies, I forgot what it's called, The Kentucky Kid, The Tornado, and Valentino Rossi. I forgot what the name of the movie was, but I'll add it in the captions. I was watching that, and one of the racers was saying that after you get married, you lose 5 seconds. After you have a child, you lose another 5 seconds. And then there goes your racing history. But he was saying it where that didn't happen to him, but it usually happens to other racers. Given the fact that Maverick Vinales is having a child soon, he had this fight in him. And in my opinion, and other people's opinions that I've been watching on the web, they've all came to the conclusion that that was probably his best race ever. I don't know if it's the motivation of his newfound family. I don't know what got him to get to this level. Whatever he ate in the morning, I want to eat that before my next track day event. But anyways, Maverick Vinales was the overall champion of the first race of Qatar, and I think he did a phenomenal job. The other highlight of the first race is in the free practice sessions. Johann Zarco has got the new title of the fastest guy on 2 wheels in MotoGP. His Ducati did 224 or 25 miles per hour. Can you believe that? He went so fast that he was slamming on his front brakes, but he went way too wide and he went off track because of it. Luckily he caught it, but man, I could not believe it. That was freaking unbelievable, man. Those Ducatis, they have a lot of power. But I'm really, really excited for the start of the 2021 MotoGP season. I have no idea, and it's really difficult to predict who the winner is going to be of the second one, as well as overall. But I think Quartararo still has a lot of fight left in him. I think Morbidelli still has a lot of fight left in him. So it's going to be very, very exciting to find out what's going to happen in race number 2. And of course, let's not forget, the king, Marc Marquez, he's still down, but I think he might be coming up in the second race of Qatar. I'm not really sure yet, but we'll find out. Aside from that, I felt really bad for Valentino Rossi because he was doing very well. I think he touched paint with one of the riders. I forgot exactly who it was. I think it was Stefan Bradl. He touched paint with him. He went from like 10th to 12th all the way to 16th, 17th place. So I really felt bad for him considering that he qualified number 4. And he was all the way back there. But what are you going to do, right? So let's see if Valentino's going to catch up. Let's see if he's going to get a pole position finally. It'll be his 200th pole of his entire career. And I want to see him on the podium. And I think Valentino Rossi has got a lot more years ahead of himself. And I hope you are just as excited as I am for the 2021 season. So if you like these kind of videos and hearing my commentary and you want to watch more of it, if you have any suggestions, I'll take them. But I would like to start this new series for 2021 with the MotoGP races because it's a lot of fun for me, and I love the community aspect of it where you guys comment and we can all have a general discussion about it. But with that said, my boys, I am here at the beach once again, my favorite spot in gorgeous San Diego. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty here. Alright guys, we are here at the beach. I'm going to hang out for a little bit. I enjoyed making this video for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want more of this type of content, give this video a like, leave a comment down in the description below, and please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. My goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers, and at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to create a special episode where I deep dive into my personal life and tell you guys a little bit about myself. Because up to this point, you guys don't know too much about me, but I want to share that to you at 10,000 subs. Help me reach my goal, and I will produce more great content for you guys in return. Until then, ciao for now.